In the following video, we will explain the basic functions of KP Connect. KP Connect Basic consists of 5 functions, excluding the home screen. The Job Progress function allows you to check the production status of the printing press from a PC or a smartphone. The Maintenance function enables the checking of maintenance-related information such as repair history, error history, and parts replacement history for each press. The Report function provides summary information relating to press operation status. The Trend Analysis function allows filtering and detailed analysis of information over longer periods of time. The Knowledge function provides step-by-step PDF and video information on how to perform tasks related to printing, maintenance, and inspection. KP Connect is an information-sharing platform that helps print companies improve productivity. Next, we'll explain the first function, which is called Job Progress. Using the Job Progress function, sales staff can check the progress of jobs they've received or check the job progress at a remote production facility. Managers can also check the progress of jobs at the main print facility or at a remote plant. The system allows for analyzation based upon factors such as time-consuming jobs and cost management. You can check the current production status of each connected press. The job progress information is updated every 30 minutes, with the completed job displayed in blue, the running job displayed in green, and the suspended job displayed in amber. In addition to press status, there are 3 other functions available in Job Progress. The first 2 are Estimated Time Required and the Memo function. Estimated time required for each job is calculated from historical job performance data, which is displayed when your mouse is placed over a job. If a job takes more than 120% of the estimated time, an alert is displayed. When the operator enters the number of sheets to be delivered on the press touchscreen, it enables the estimated job completion time to be calculated and displayed. In addition, by inputting special job information into the memo column, such as customer color OK or match customer proof, communication of special job conditions can be recorded. Checking the estimated time required and memo notes can be useful in analyzing jobs that take excessive time, allowing for more accurate scheduling when planning work. Next, we will introduce the cost setting. Approximate costs for each job can be calculated. To use this function, it's necessary to set the item costs that will be used for the calculation. To configure this option, set the hourly rate for each device and the unit price of the paper. If there is no hourly charge, an alternate calculation formula can be used. By entering the number of sheets to be delivered and memo notes when a job is registered, KP Connect can associate this information to the jobs being executed. In addition, by entering the cost settings in advance, it's possible to understand and manage the approximate costs of printing each job. The second function is the Maintenance function. Information related to maintenance such as repair history, error history, and parts replacement history for each press can be checked. The Maintenance function consists of 2 functions, Basic Information and Maintenance Information. Maintenance of printing presses is an important function for stable print operation. The Maintenance function now allows you to check the error history and keep track of the press maintenance status at all times. In addition, KP Connect reporting of blanket and roller changes, which are managed by individual operators, enables visualization of maintenance. First, we'll introduce the maintenance screen and basic information. In the alert history, the history of main motor error, lubrication failure, APC error, etc. are displayed. Click the error history to display the recorded details for the selected time period. In the error history, you can switch the display items between history and count. When count is selected, a Pareto diagram displays the recorded errors. Checking exclude short stops will exclude any manual stops initiated by the operator. Click Repair History to view and check past repairs. Next, we will introduce the Maintenance and Information screen. On the Maintenance Information screen, you can check the parts replacement and completed maintenance history, including their recommended intervals. By entering each part replacement, the current usage time and estimated replacement time of each part is displayed. When the estimated time for parts replacement is exceeded, the parts replacement notification appears. To manage the parts replacement history, access the parts replacement screen from the touch panel of the press. You can filter the parts replacement list by category and register any replaced parts as completed. If you want to add parts replacement items for recording, you can add new items from the Manager Settings, Maintenance, and Parts Replacement tab. We recommend adding items such as fountain solution replacement, UV lamp replacement, or any other items where tracking may be valuable. Now we'll introduce the maintenance information. From the history, it shows that the maintenance time has been exceeded for some items. When the elapsed time exceeds the estimated maintenance time, it's displayed in red. Whenever performing maintenance, the history must be registered at the touch panel of the press settings screen, Machine Management, and Maintenance to register any completed maintenance. By managing the maintenance history in the cloud, we can eliminate the need for paper-based management. The ability to view maintenance intervals based upon power on time, printing time, and number of sheets printed provides the visualization of information needed to promote a healthy preventative maintenance program for your printing press. The third function is the report function. This function can be used effectively for checking the status of work, searching for inefficient jobs, and evaluating key indicators for operational improvement. On the report screen, you can click on the pie chart to view related details and the recorded time. When you click in each indicator graph, it displays the worst 5 jobs sorted by worst to best. This list can be expanded to up to 100 jobs. You can also check the density trend, gain, delta E, and other print values recorded from scans performed by PDCSX or PDCSG. Here, we will introduce 3 points that increase the data reliability of each indicator. Increasing the reliability of KP Connect data is critical in identifying issues with operational analyses and evaluating the results of improvement activities. The following 3 rules should be applied to increase the reliability of the recorded data. The first rule is creating and finishing jobs on the press at the appropriate times. Note that the timing of creating and finishing a job may vary depending on the operator or the type of the job to be run. Applying a universal set of rules for handling when jobs are started and finished will result in more accurate operational data. In this case, we recommend the pattern of operator A. Note that if multiple jobs are executed within the same job as shown with operator C, the job stopped time will increase and other information will be affected. The second rule relates to the delivery counter button. When the delivery counter button is pressed, the lamp lights up and the number of copies to be printed starts counting. Based upon the use of this counter, the make-ready time, production printing time, and good sheets are calculated. Proper use of this counter is required to obtain accurate recording of production sheets, make-ready time, and waste sheets. The third rule relates to defining rest time on the press. From the press touch screen, the operation screen of manager settings allows defining predetermined rest times that represent time that the press will not be used. Typically, this would be used for lunch periods, gaps between shifts, or any recurring idle times in a press operation schedule. If necessary, the rest state can also be entered manually by using the reason code screen. While in the rest state, any activity that's detected on the press will automatically exit the rest state, so the new activity and state can be recorded. By registering the pre-configured rest times or pressing the rest button manually, the rest time can be excluded from the total operation time, so more accurate data can be obtained. Keeping this in mind, please remember to use the rest button whenever leaving the office while the press is still powered on. Use of the rest button is valuable for obtaining reliable data that can be used for more accurate analysis of your operation, providing more accurate results relating to improvement activities as well. The report screen allows for visualization of your press operation, which leads to problem identification and improvement relating to print production. Improving productivity requires collecting reliable information and analyzing the data. The trend analysis function displays the status of your machine from various perspectives. For each of the 22 categories available, a historical analysis can be performed on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis, making it easy to find inflection points and helping to identify problems. You can perform a more specific analysis by filtering on the graph type selection, comparison target selection, and user filter items. Graph type selection enables an analysis that's broken out by job characteristics like paper type, paper thickness, lot range, and more. The comparison subject selection allows for comparing multiple, connected presses. And the ability to compare differences based upon registered teams. When performing team-specific comparisons, team registration is required on the press using the touch panel. From the Administrator Settings button, press the buttons of the team and the operator to enter the team's name you want to register, and then register the team name. To select a team, press the button in the lower right of the screen, select the tab for team selection, and press OK. The user filter can filter by lot range, paper type, and paper thickness. Since many of the indicators in the trend analysis are distributed by email, as a daily report and monthly report, the machine operation status summary can be monitored and checked on a daily basis. Trend analysis displays the operational data of your presses using various key indicators, enabling analysis not only for multiple presses, but for multiple teams. Trend analysis allows you to easily identify high or low operational trends in various categories, which can lead to avoidance of negative trends while encouraging the positive ones. The Knowledge function provides video and PDF content on printing operation, maintenance, and inspection methods. Many printing companies are struggling with operator training issues relating to mass retirement of baby boomers, retirement of veteran operators, and the ever-changing technology advancements of the printing industry. The printing industry as an information industry has become increasingly competitive relating to technology innovation, and the level of quality demanded by customers is also changing. The printing plant is considered to be the core of the printing business, which generates profits from its business by improving productivity, quality, reducing costs, and ensuring delivery times. For this reason, the education of operators is extremely important and can have a direct impact on profitability. Given this background information, we highly recommend using KP Connect and the knowledge function. The knowledge function provides PDF and video content for quality, maintenance, basic printing, troubleshooting, KHS settings, and more. KP Connect and knowledge functions can be accessed from a tablet or a smartphone, allowing you to check manuals or step-by-step instructions near the press. The knowledge function can also be used for on-the-job training, such as basic knowledge and skill training within the company. KP Connect allows you to easily understand the operating status and problems of your printing presses at any time and from anywhere. We encourage all Komori customers to take advantage of KP Connect to improve their productivity.